Do you know that over 60% of people worldwide are now earning some money online? Whether you are African, you're in Asia, you're from Gulf, Europe, elsewhere in the world, make money online is now just becoming a style and is becoming a fastest growing way to boost your income. Work from home and gain financial freedom. If you haven't started yet, here are 10 powerful reasons why today is the best day to begin with. In 2025, over 4.9 billion people use the internet globally, and studies shows that the online gig economy is growing by more than 20% of every year. That means millions of people are discovering new ways to make money online, from selling products, freelancing, creating content, to teaching skills. The best part, and the one I like most, is that you don't need expensive equipment, you don't need a degree, no qualifications at all. You just need your smartphone and reliable connections. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says I cannot handle a smartphone and beg for bread. So, as we are here, I would love to say thank you to all subscribers. You are in the right place. And to you, my top engagers, I love you so much. I'm honored. This is a disclaimer, you guys. I'm not a financial expert, no a financial consultant, no a financial giant. I'm only a smart lady that decided to expose some gigs that are helping the few people out there that got hold of them. And then the others, the majority, remains being diehards, remain being fans. But I'm giving you from the bottom of my heart, full of love that I dispense. Without doing ado, you guys, let's dive in and say and really see these 10 powerful ways to make money online. And why, not to make, but why should we make money online, you guys? I know this one is backed with examples and experiences. If you want anything to really convince you, I want you to put it in the comment section. First reason number one, and major one that I'm going to give 100 out of 100, is work from anywhere. Imagine working in your pajamas or while traveling online job. This one lets you work from home. It lets you work from cafes or even anywhere with internet. Can you imagine? It makes you work money even when you're in your bed. Freedom, freedom is abundance. You guys, you can choose freedom. You can choose location and without putting any tag. When I'm talking about it, I know how I feel in my heart. I've tested on a 9 to 12-hour job, and as I record this video, I feel a heavy heart for anybody who is still working for somebody for more than 10 years. Please start the side hustle which you can make become a real income for you. The second reason why you should start making money online is low startup costs. Most online money-making methods require little or to no investment. You can start with just your phone and free apps. No big capital needed. When we are talking about startup costs, if you're going to do ordinary or traditional businesses, you need huge amount of money. But with making money online, making money online is just your brain, your focus, your consistency, your phone, that's all, and you start. The third reason why you should do it is flexible hours. Online work lets you choose your own schedule. Perfect for students, perfect for parents, or anyone who wants to balance work and life. The fourth reason is unlimited income potential. Unlike traditional jobs with fixed salaries, when I talk about that, I remember that everybody, you find the whole year you are working, they should see me, eye service for the sake of being added something which is less than even $50. You find people are doing that for 1 year. But with online making money online, it is unlimited. You just choose and sit and say, how do I do it? So unlike traditional jobs with fixed salaries, online work lets you scale your earnings. Some freelancers and creators can earn thousands monthly once they grow their skills. This is what I want you to click on, once they grow your skills. So I wouldn't want you to start today and say, Christine said flexible, how come I'm getting $10, $20? No, you have to grow, then you become stable. The 10 years you put in someone's business, if at the same time the 10 years you start your side hustle for online making, by the time you end 10 years, I wish I knew this, you'd be a very big brand. Then global market access is another reason. You are not limited to local customers. The internet connects you to millions of buyers and clients worldwide. This one increases your chances to sell or get hired. You guys, we have this tendency of saying, whom do I know? Me, I was born in this family. No. With internet, there's no go to Robbie for promotion. Recently, I was robbing for something that really made me so bad. I even felt bad. That's why I'm making this video. You don't Robbie for anything when you're making money online. And this encourages me to wake up every morning knowing that this is my job too. Then skill development in another one. Making money online teaches us variable digital skills, from marketing, writing, designs, and even to technical skills that are highly demanded everywhere. Multiple income streams is a best I should have made. That one I give it around 90 out of 100. Online work allows you to diversify your incomes. You can sell products, you can offer services, you can monetize videos, and more so, if one stream slows, others can keep you flowing. But if you're depending on traditional salary, the day you're told to stop work, that's it. You have to again get your file, trot around to look for another job. But if you're doing on making money online, you only wake up, do this. The moment you do Facebook, if Facebook can't pay you this month, YouTube will pay you. If YouTube can't pay you, your ebook, people are going to buy. If the ebook can't pay you, it means also they can even pay you all at once. Or maybe your website will be bringing traffic. Then community support is another one. Online, you guys, can I tell you people? Online, you'll find groups, you'll find mentors, and even resources to help you learn and grow. No need to feel alone on your journey, no. Then there's bit job insecurity. Hey, it sweetens me. The future of work is digital. With online income, you protect yourself from layoffs, cutbacks, or unstable job markets. When you're making money online, you have a potential to say, no, I can't do this, or I can't do the other. Because you have a wall to lay on. You know there's something that can hold you back. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and future, you guys, start exploring online opportunities today. Okay? Remember, every successful online entrepreneur began just like you. With a simple step forward, don't wait. Your online income journey starts now. Thank you very much. See you in another video. You should start making money online from today. Bye-bye.